Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is an origami 4-pointed star, and it's got a little propeller look right here. And yeah, and it looks really nice. And in the inside, it can be a container. And yeah, and it's pretty cool. And I'm gonna show you how to fold it. All right, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I used a 16 square of double-sided paper, but for this tutorial, I'm just gonna use an ordinary 16 square of Kami. So let's begin right side up and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. This is a pretty simple model, so if you're new to folding, then this is a good model to try out. Okay, and now fold in half the other way. And it's pretty quick to make too. So this video should not be that long. Alright, and now fold to the crease. Okay, now rotate like this and fold this edge to the crease. Alright, and rotate like this and fold this edge to here. Alright, now final part, fold this edge to here. Okay, and now unfold, and now here's the tricky step. So we're gonna just open this pocket right here, and we're gonna refold this on this crease, and we're gonna just kind of shove this paper inside, so we're kind of tucking that point inside also. Like this, and then flatten it, like that. Okay, this is what it looks like. And now take this edge and fold it to this edge. Alright, now do that 3 more times. Okay, and now we're going to squash these 4 corners. So I'm going to start here, so just open the pocket right here and squash it so that this crease right here aligns with this line. Alright, just like that. And now, do that 3 more times. Okay, just like this. Now, if you just want a white square to go on the bottom of your star, then you don't need to do this part. But if you do want to make the propeller, then here's what I'm going to do. So if you don't want to do this part, then skip ahead to this point. Okay, so now to make a propeller, let's fold one of these flaps over like this and take this edge and fold it to this crease. Remember, this is optional. Okay. Alright, and now unfold that, and let's repeat right here. So, fold this over, take this edge, and fold it to that line. Alright, just like that. And then fold it over, like that. Alright, now do that with the remaining 3. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Alright, just like this. And there is our propeller. Okay, so now we're going to make this into a star. And this can actually be like a flicker. And I think I taught one of these right here. Something similar to that. So alright, so to turn it into the 4-pointed star, then here's what we're going to do. So let's turn over, and we're going to fold this up so that the fold we're making aligns with this edge below right here. So fold it like this, and don't crease the whole thing. Just fold to this crease right here. There's a crease right there. Just fold up to that crease. Alright? And crease that nice and sharp. And now let's repeat right here too. So fold this up and make the fold align with this edge. And don't fold the whole thing, just fold to this crease. Like that. Alright, now do that on the remaining 3 sides. So do it on all 4 sides. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, just like this. Alright, now comes the fun part. we're gonna form the star. So just form these diagonal folds right here, like this, and it should become a star, just like this, very easily. So yeah, there it is. Yep, it's a container on this side. You can put something inside. I'm gonna put my pointer in here. Yeah, it's too long. So yeah, and if you want, you can make some mountain folds. I'm not actually gonna do this, but you can figure it out. So just make, if you want this to be a square, just make 4 mountain folds in between these 4 points right here. So where these 2 diagonals make a point right there, just in between those 4 points. But I like it better like this because it's a little bit cleaner. So yeah, and yes, it's a spinner. Yep, spins really nicely on a smooth surface. Oh yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Oh yeah, when I made these 4 mountain folds, that point got kind of in. It's kind of concave right here. So yeah. Alright, hope you guys like this video, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.